So we're only working with 2005 to 2010, so we don't even have to do line of best fits because the lines are actually straight between those 2 points. So 2005 for Malaysia and 2010 for Malaysia, that's those points. And the United States is green up here at the top, 2005, 2010. So let's start with the US up at the top. So rate of change, rate USA. So we want the rise, in this case it's a fall, and it's a very, very slight fall. It looks like I'd say it's at most going from about 95 down to 90, I would say. So I would say that's a fall of about 5 million. We're told that this is in millions. So I'd say that this is a rise of negative 5 million. So that's my rise, negative 5 million. I'll just write that mil so that I remember it's in millions. And the number of years is the run. Run is 5 years. So negative 5 million divided by 5 years is negative 1 million per year. So the United States is losing 1 million tourists per year. Then we'll go with Malaysia. Looks like for the rise, it looks like Malaysia starts around 30 mil and goes up to about 45 million, I would say. I'm just trying to use the graph the best I can. These are always going to be estimates, and you might disagree with my values, and you might say, Malaysia doesn't start with 30 million, it might start with 32 million or 33 million. But we're just doing our best to estimate those values. And so the rate for Malaysia is equal to, well, this is an increase of from 30 to 45 is 15 million tourists over the same 5-year period. So that's 15 divided by 5 is 3 million tourists per year. So how do we interpret this difference? Well, what I would say is the USA is losing tourists per year, every year, I'll say tourists every year. Well, Malaysia is growing in tourism. So, the US still has many more tourists than Malaysia, but the United States tourism industry is declining while Malaysia's tourism industry is climbing.